Greetings. Okay, I just want to show you freaks what I did. Look, I stopped drinking, right? I bought this shit for my house. I saw one of the guys in the hostel I was in last eat peanut butter all the time, so I got me some peanut butter. That's supposed to be really healthy. And I got eggs as well. It's really weird. I stopped drinking and just started buying all this health food instead. I read like this chart about foods I'm supposed to eat. And I bought me some vegetables, oranges, cucumbers, pears, apples, fruit, vegetables. And I even got some beetroot. I got some tomatoes. I got some more fruit juice, milk. And I got hummus. And I got me 2 things of ham. Where are my pizzas? There they are. I got some pizzas as well. Just to ruin it all for all the health food. To balance out all the health food, I got 2 pizzas to I used to be a vegetarian. I stopped being a vegetarian recently. I wasn't going anywhere with my weights, I kept on interfering with it. Me trying to gain weight. It just wasn't happening. I just kept on being a skinny twig no matter how much I'd exercise. Anyway, check out my new vlog. Pretty good, huh? Here's my keyboard. I'll make loads of mad tunes and upload them onto Facebook. Check this out, look. See this? I pull this out here. And I'm supposed to be really nice. So as you can see, I'm still unpacked as hell. I gotta get stuff for my clothes, videos, and I'm probably gonna get rid of a lot of my videos to be honest with you because I don't have space in here. I'm gonna get a new TV, a digital TV instead of 2 old rundown VCRs. It's my bed. Anyway, yeah, sort of tell you guys what I'm doing. As you can see my house and my kitchen. I'm listening to Faith No More, not bloody 9 Inch Nails, who are 1,000,000 times better than 9 Inch Nails, and they don't even have to try. Faith No More.